Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online science class. In this session, we are going to discuss about modification of plant pots. Do you remember what happens to seeds after germination? The pot that grow above the soil, that is called shoot system, and that pot grows under the soil is called root system. Each plant organs like root, stem, leaves, etc. evolved to meet certain needs of the plant. For example, roots evolved primarily to anchor the plant and also absorb water and mineral nutrients from the soil. Leaves are adapted to optimize photosynthesis, and stem served to conduct water from roots to leaves. In some plants, root, stem, and leaves change their shape and structure to perform special functions like storage of food, mechanical support, protection, etc. This is known as modification. Let us discuss about modification of root. To perform special functions, the roots change their size and shapes. Roots for storage. Look at a radish, turnip, beetroot and carrot. You know very well, they all grow under the soil. All these vegetables are roots of the plant, and all these plants' roots have become a place to store the food produced by them. Hence, they are thick and swollen. For example, radish. The tap root of radish is in the shape of spindle, swollen in the middle and tapering at both ends. This is a spindle shaped root. In the case of turnip and beetroot, the taproot acquire a shape of top that is spherical at the base and tapering shortly towards apex. This is a top shaped root. And in the case of carrot, the shape is conical, broad at the apex and tapering gradually towards the base. This is conical shaped root. Mechanical support. There are three types of modified roots for support. First one, prop roots, stilt roots, clipping roots. Look at this picture. You see banyan tree. The hanging root of banyan trees are called prop roots, which provide mechanical support to the tree. And these roots grow vertically from horizontal branches of a tree. Next, stilt roots. The supporting roots of sugarcane coming out of lower nodes of the stem are called stilt roots. Next, clipping roots. In petal and black pepper, nodes or internodes bear roots which help in clipping. Gaseous exchange. In plants growing in mangroves or swampy areas, the roots grow vertically upward. Such roots are called nematopores or breathing roots, which help to get oxygen. Roots for other vital function. Roots may also be perform special function. For example, Hastoria or sucking roots. Cuscuta, a parasite plant, climb the trees and other vegetation. It uses the historical roots to suck nutrients from them. Dear students, in this session we are discussing about modification of root. From this you knew roots are grow underground in some plants. The plants grow in mangrove, the roots grow upward. In some plants like beetroot, radish, etc., the taproot becomes a vegetables, and these roots primarily anchor to plants. Thank you.